since Caleb is so internet savvy, like here's a kid who looked up his parents to make sure that they weren't convicts and wanted by the FBI. But go to the Toyota page. So the Toyota engineer, thank you, sir, appreciate all your services, but we fix engineering problems all day long. You guys create. Said some areas of the Toyota frames were 11 gauge and
So it says 11 gauge steel is thicker than the original frame in some areas, making it a strong choice for repairs. So the benefit of using 11 gauge steel in the repair process is that it's a heavy duty reinforcement. So it's more than what you need.
right.
They can't even see anything. So he was correct. They did use 11 gauge steel, a heavy duty material, often used in aftermarket frame repair. But then it says here, thicker than the original frame in some areas.
So 11 gauge is thicker than some of the other areas of the frame. So the area we were working on was 16 gauge.
Yes. And so then I looked that up and I was like, all right, let's see what the internet says about frame repair in general. For frame repair, use 14 to 16 gauge steel for structural areas, and 18 to 20 is suitable for body panels and less stressed areas.
And pillars, shock supports, while 18 to 20 is suitable for body panels. Okay? So 16 plus 11 plus 20 years worth of decay is still thicker than 11 gauge.
Absolutely.
But just like Kale said, when they come to your house and they sift through a joist,
Yeah.
right? It's almost 3 joists or
Yeah.
2 joists, no matter how they do it.
Yeah.
It's still not a 2x6 or 2x8,
Yeah.
2x10. Now it's a 6x whatever, right?
Yeah.
Been doing it a long time. We've been doing chassis repairs for a long time. If that was a part where there was nothing left, and then I was getting to a thicker section, say 11 gauge, absolutely would I
Then
match the gauge that I'm
yeah.
removing. But every
match or
every
surpass.
Chevy, Dodge, Toyota, anything that in the sections that we're servicing are typically not 11 gauge rotted out. Typically not. It's always in that thinner area that they're describing, which isn't 11 gauge.
Yeah.
And then as I showed under the car where we got the product from, I held it up right to the same boxed area, and it was the same thickness.
Yeah.
So there's certain sections, Mr. Engineer, you're right, are 11, but there's certain sections that are less than 11 as well, and we were working in those sections. Keep it coming. We love it.